When Ivan was about to catch him, someone struck him. Struck meaning is hit him with a sudden blow. It was Gabriel, who holding an oak wedge. Oak wedge meaning is a stick which was thick at one end and the thin at one end. He hit Ivan with that stick which lay near the gate. He got that stick near his house gate. Had struck with a great force means he threw that stick with a great force and it hit the Ivan on his head. Ivan was stunned. Ivan was shocked by that hit. Everything grew dark around him and he staggered. Staggered meaning is walk unsteadily means he was getting unconscious. When he was back to his senses, when he came back to consciousness, Gabriel was missing. Gabriel was not there. It was as bright as a day, and now the day had also started. And from the side of his homestead meaning is a farmhouse, there came a roaring meaning is loud noise, and crackling meaning is sharp sound similar to an engine. Ivan turned round and saw that his back and side shed had caught fire. Means the shed at his back and the side, they both had burnt into the fire. The flames, smokes, and pieces of burning straw were being driven in the hut's direction. And even due to the air, burning straw, they were moving towards the hut's direction. Means the flame was the flame of the fire. They started moving towards the hut's direction. What is this, friends? Ivan cried, and by seeing this, Ivan started shouting that what has happened, lifting his arm and striking his thighs. Striking meaning is hitting, and he moved forward his arms and he hit his thighs and started shouting that what had happened. Why all that I had to do was just to snatch it out, and just the simple thing was to snatch. Snatch meaning is grab the dry grass from the eaves meaning is from the corner of the roof. Means as soon as the Gabriel had kept those burnt dry grass on the roof, just the Ivan has to do that. He should snatch them and he should crush them under his feet. But he hadn't done this thing. He had followed Gabriel to catch him. What is this, friends? He kept repeating and he was shouting with these words. At Ivan's house, they only managed to save his father. The family escaped in what they had on, means what they were wearing, only with those clothes. They came out, or they escaped from the house, and they saved the old man also. Everything else except the horses, and rather without the horses which the Taras had taken for the pasture for the night, they were other all things without the horses had been lost. All the cattle, fowls, carts, plows, and the grain in the granaries, all things were burnt up. And at the Gabriel's house, even the houses were in the neighbor of each other. Ivan and the Gabriel house were next to each other, and they both were made up of dry grass. So the fire reached to the Gabriel's house also. The cattle were driven out, the cattle were taken out from the house, and other few things were saved from Gabriel's house. But the Gabriel house was also burnt into the fire. The fire lasted throughout the night, and the fire was continued for the whole night. The next morning, the village elder's son came to look for Ivan. And in the next morning, when the village old man's son came to Ivan, and he called Ivan that, Daddy Ivan, your father is dying. Uncle Ivan, your father is calling you. Your father is going to die. He has sent for you to say goodbye. Sent for meaning is called. He had called you so that he could say goodbye to you. Ivan had forgotten about his father, and in this process, Ivan forgot, or in this shocking state, Ivan forgot about his father and didn't understand what was being said to him, means what the eldest son was saying to him. And he said to that person that, what father, whom has he sent for, that whom he is calling? He sent for you. Then the eldest son again repeated, and he said that your father is calling you to say goodbye. He is dying in our cottage. Come along, Daddy Ivan, that come with me, said the elder son. Pulling him by the arm, he pulled Ivan with his arm, and Ivan followed the lad. Lad meaning his boy. When he was being carried out to the hut, when Ivan reached the hut, some burning straw had fallen on the old man. When the old man was taken out from the hut, during in this process, some dry burning grass fall on the old man, and it burnt him. He was taken to the village elder's hut, which was away from the fire or where the fire didn't reach. When Ivan came to meet his father, there was only the elder's wife in the hut. Besides a few children on top of the oven, means there were few small children who were lying on the bed. The old woman went close to him, and that elder's wife moved towards Ivan and told him that his son had come. Moved towards the old man and told that Ivan had come. He asked him to be brought nearer. Then old man, Ivan's father, told to Ivan to come near to him. Ivan came closer and he said, old man started speaking. Then Ivan said, "What, father? What must you do now?" he asked. Then when Ivan said that, "What you want to say, father?" Then old man said, "What have you done now?" Ivan was weeping, and Ivan started weeping. "I don't know how we are to live now," means how we are going to live now, as the house has also been burnt, he said. The old man closed his eyes, moved his lips as if to gather strength, means he tried to speak, and again opened his eyes and said, "You will manage," means you will be able to live, you can manage, you can handle the situation, but if you obey God's will, means what the God wants, if you do that thing, then you will be able to handle the situation. He paused, then he stopped for some time and then gave a smile and again said, "Mind, Ivan." Mind meaning is think, Ivan. Think positively or think rationally. Don't tell who started the fire, but now this time you should not tell that who had started the fire. You should not take this case to the court again to tell that who had started the fire. Hide another man's sin. Now you have to hide the other man's wrong deeds, wrong tasks, and God will forgive two of yours. And if you will hide the other man's wrong deeds, then the God will hide yours and God will forgive you. Saying this, the old man took the candle in both hands and folding them on his breast meaning his chest, he kept those candles on his chest and took a deep breath. Side meaning is took a deep breath, and he stretched his arms and died. Ivan didn't say anything against Gabriel, and after listening the old man's or his father's words, Ivan didn't tell about Gabriel's deeds to anyone, and no one knew what had caused the fire, and no one in the village knew that who had caused the fire. Ivan's anger against Gabriel passed away, and even the Ivan forgot all the wrong work done by the Gabriel. Even the anger against Gabriel had been vanished in Ivan's heart, and Gabriel didn't tell anybody. Even the Gabriel had no courage to tell that he had caused the fire. Initially, Gabriel felt afraid. At the starting, Gabriel was fearful, but after a while, he got used to it. Both of them left quarreling and both stopped fighting, and even their families let off also. They also forgave each other while rebuilding their houses, and they rebuilt their house, and in this process both families lived in one house. And when the village was rebuilt, even most of the houses in the village were burnt, so even in the village when other houses were going to rebuild, they might have moved farther apart. Then the village families had moved at a distant places. Ivan and Gabriel built, and for the next time also Ivan and Gabriel built their houses besides each other houses and remained neighbors as before, and they started living as a neighbor as they were living firstly. They lived as good neighbors and they started living as good neighbors. Ivan Stechebokov followed his old father's command, means what his father had taught him, he followed his words to obey God's law, and he followed the God rule. And if anyone does him any injury, and from the next time if anyone would try to harm him, he now tries not to revenge himself. He tried that he would not take revenge from that person, but rather to set matters right again. But he would forgive them and he would try to solve that matter between them. And Ivan Stechebokov has got on his feet again, and means now he became again rich and now lives even better than he did before, and even his living conditions were better than the previous before the fight or before the burning of the houses. So what the author wanted to teach us through this story is that hatred has a horrible result. Means if we would have a hateness regarding any person, then they have a bad result, and we should forgive other person as soon as possible, as forgiveness saves one from a lot of trouble. Means by forgiving other we can save ourselves also from many problems. As in this story, if Ivan had forgiven Gabriel as soon as their fight began, means from the starting, if he had forgiven Gabriel, then they would have never hated each other, and Ivan house would never have been burnt, and they were living happily from the first year before the fight.